Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Midjourney bot on Discord. Now you can use the bot in two ways. You can either join the Midjourney server, create images and stuff like that in their own server, but this can get quite crowded, so you might want to just add it to one of your own servers and then get to use it that way. So that is what I did, and I did it in a video, and I'll leave that linked at the end of this video. But all you need to do is click here on Midjourney bot in the server, and then you can add it to your own server by clicking that button. So what I'll do is I'll go into my server where I added it to. Now you can see it's been added there. Now the way that you use this is once it's added and you've accepted the terms of service, you can in fact use this bot in a server up to 10,000 members. So all you need to do is put a / and then type imagine into the text box, then hit a spacebar, and then you'll put a prompt. So you can put up to some words in here that you want the AI to generate an image. So I'll just put puppy, then I'll put a comma, and then I'll put sunset, and then I'll put summer, and then hit enter. And this is going to say waiting to start, and you just need to give it a moment to generate your image. As you can see, it has started right now, so you can see it is 0%. And then I'll show you what you can do with these images after you have generated your images. So I'll let that finish and then I'll get back to you. Okay, and one thing to also remember is that if you're not a paying member of the Midjourney bot, then you do have a trial. I believe you can create 25 images on the trial. Then once your trial has ended, you have options to become a paid subscriber. If you like the feature, it starts at $10 per month and goes up to $30 per month. But I won't be covering that in this video. This is just to use the free trial. So you can see it generated 4 variations of my image right here, and you can click on this and it will make it bigger. You can click on open original here, and then you can open that original. If I do that, click on open original, it's going to open it up in a web browser. And if you want to save that, you right click and save the image as. Pretty simple. So I can go back onto Discord and explain what are those buttons underneath. So you can do various things with your image right now. So if you, for example, you like this third one right here and you want to upscale that into a better quality image, you can see here it says U1, U2, U3 and U4. Each one of these is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So I like the third one, so I want to upscale that, so I'll click on U3. So once you do that, it is just going to take a moment to start that again, and then once that's finished, you can see it is going to upscale that third image into a better quality image. So you can just save that first or third image, and you can do that with 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then I'll get into what these buttons mean after that. So when I'll just give that a moment to complete, and then I'll get back to you. And if you made a mistake at any point, you can cancel the job here and do another one if you want to. Okay, so that is now finished, and if you want to make variations of this specific image, you click the make variations button. You can upscale it to the max quality right here, and then you can choose light upscale ratio, and then you can open it up in the web and you can hit these emojis if you like the image. So the other things over here, this is going to create different variations of any one of the 4 quadrants right here. So let me just say I want a different variation of the third image. I'll click on V3, and then that will take another moment to go ahead and do that. So I won't let that one finish because I kind of think you get the idea. But let's just see it's making variations, you can see, of all those 4 different images. And then you can do that same process that you did over here. But let's just say you like this image and you want to click on it and then click on open original. This is the one that you want to save. This is pretty cool in my opinion. So then you right click and then you can save that image. And I'll just save it on my desktop as cute puppy AI. And then I'll hit save. And now I've got that image forever, and you don't have to worry about copyright and everything like that with these images. You can use it how you want to use it. And that's essentially how you use the Midjourney bot. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.